Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile section on the top right corner. Then once you scroll downwards, you're going to see the appearance option. Then click on it. So as you can see, there are three options: the light theme, the dark theme, as well as your device theme. Click on dark theme and click on save preference. So as you can see, this is the dark theme. It has a different layout, as you can see. Then you guys can continue with ordering your delivery since it has a lot of options. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.